Jam. Okay. Season ender.
Season ender.
Yes.
Okay.
Sabi ako nakatingin ito yung camera ko. Oh my gosh.
I'm so happy.
12 weeks, girl.
12 weeks?
episodes.
12 episodes.
12 weeks, 12 episodes, 12 amazing individuals
Yes.
ang nakasama natin for season 2 of
Yes,
Slambok
yung mga
Millionaire.
minamanifest lang natin na makausap natin at ma-interview.
Exactly.
They said yes, this
Yes.
season 2.
Yes na yes.
Sobrang privileged po kami, sobrang grateful kami sa lahat ng guests namin sa season 2 ng Slam Book Millionaire. We know how busy you are. But since you always said na, kasi kayo yan eh, di ba?
Yes.
Pero nakakatuwa lang na ganun yung na-establish nating relationship na you always find time for me and Joanna and Laura's Enterprises because talagang maraming nag-look up or maraming talagang nag-wish na sana ma-interview nyo itong mga personalities na ito kasi idol nila.
Yes.
Diba?
Actually, that's one of the things that I am most grateful for with what we have and all because of Lorus nga, our business, right? That we get to meet all these amazing individuals and not just meet them, but really have a sincere and deep relationship with
Correct.
them. Na every time that we would request them, ask them, kahit na gano'n sila ka-busy, talaga namang they make time for us.
Oo.
Diba? At saka, alam mo, siguro yung pag-usapan natin din dito, yung mga highlights natin. One of the highlights na para sa akin talaga, from season 1 until season 2, ang pinaka para sa akin would be yung opportunity natin na makakwentuhan sila.
Yes.
And for them to answer yung mga slam book questions natin. Ang nakakatuwa, eto po. Kasi every time that we would invite them, syempre magtatanong sila ano yung mga questions.
Sanay sila eh. Sanay
Oo,
sila sa mga interview.
Then some of them actually nagre-ready, which is yun na nga, parang ang akala nila, lahat po ito no exemption to, lahat ng mga na-interview, nakausap natin dito, all the while they thought we're gonna talk about who they are, their businesses.
They're very competitive kasi. Alam nila, okay, about business to.
Yes, their industry, diba? The people that they've coached with, the people that they've worked with,
Yes.
mga seminars na inattendan.
Ano yung biggest plans
Lessons,
nila,
yes,
dreams nila in
takeaways,
life.
ganyan. Tapos biglang, pag-usapan natin, who is your crush? What's your favorite food? So, hindi sila ready for that.
Doon na sila nag-relax. Chill lang pala talaga.
Chill lang.
No matter how we say na, chill lang to, chill
Yes.
interview.
Pero lumalalim.
Oo.
And it reveals a lot about who they are. 'Di ba? So yun yung nakakatuwa na despite hindi sila ready sa mga questions,
Yes.
na parang sa umpisa ang shallow, pero lumalabas pa rin yung
Lumalalim.
wisdom, insights, and brilliance nila.
And yun ang reason kung bakit successful sila.
Exactly.
Diba?
Diba?
They have this pure heart.
Mm-mm.
Very generous sila sa time, sa sharing ng mga experience and story nila that would, inspire other people as well. Doon, hindi nila
Yes.
gine-gatekeep.
Yes.
Yun ang nakakatuwa eh.
Oo, nagugulat sila and yet game na game pa rin nilang sinasagot lahat ng mga tanong na wala po kaming script.
Yes.
One thing about our show, hindi po kami nag-i-script at hindi rin po namin binibigyan ng tanong ang mga guests po natin ahead
Surprise
of time.
lahat.
Kasi even po kami, hindi rin namin alam kung saan patungo ang conversation.
Yes. Actually, ang ano lang dyan, siguro meron kaming sanay na questioner. Gamit na questions.
Yes.
1 or 2. Then, the rest, nag-evolve na lang sa
Exactly.
answers nila.
Yes. And leading us to the next highlight that we have. 'Di ba? So ako, another highlight na meron tayo dito kay Slam Book Millionaire Girl is that we found out na kaya sila successful kasi even before pa, during their Slam Book years, nung kabataan pa nila, they've been very intentional.
Correct.
Alam na nila kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari. Meron tayong mga na-interview na hindi sila aware na ito pala yung bagay na ginagawa nila. Yun pala yung nag-lead sa kanila. And then, they just realize it once we were interviewing them na.
Yes.
Diba? Pero
Oo.
the intention have always been there.
Mm.
They've always wanted something for themselves. They know what they want, even though they don't know how to
Yes.
get there, how to get it.
Yes, may mga na-interview tayo na bata pa lang sila, they know what they want.
Yes.
Meron din tayong na-interview na in the beginning, they are lost. They don't
Yes.
know what they want. Pero the good thing about it, parang if you are meant to be successful, if you are meant to be a leader or anything na big person, it really happened.
Yes.
Kasi nga, number one, God designed you. I mean, nothing happens by accident. Yung mga
Yes.
experiences natin in the past, yun yung nag-lead sa atin.
Exactly.
Kung ano tayo ngayon, anong stature natin, ano man yung position
It's all
natin in life.
interconnected.
Interconnected, yes.
Parang, sabi nga, we don't have to dwell on the past, but we can always look at the past and make it as an anchor so that you can create a different life. And our guests, yun yung mga na-demonstrate nila sa atin.
Yes, because some people you think na kaya sila successful kasi in the beginning, successful na talaga sila.
Magaling na talaga sila.
Mayaman na sila,
Oo.
di ba?
Although may mga guests talaga tayo.
Meron naman,
na-realize
RK talaga.
Yaman to, mga RK. Ayan.
Pero na-realize nila, okay, parang katulad lang din pala sila. Ordinaryong
Yes.
tao, but they have big dreams.
Totoo.
They're very positive. Notice, lahat sila
Yes.
positive.
Joyful.
Yes. Yan, one
Yes.
thing highlight,
Mm-mm.
all of them, they have this growth mindset. Hindi sila
Exactly.
yung, okay na ako, or kung ano man ang alam ko noon, okay na.
Yes. They never, a student of life.
Student of
Oo.
life.
So nakakatuwa kasi they allowed us
Correct.
to actually unearth and para ma-discover yung mga ganong bagay about them.
Even
or
if nakakahiya.
rediscover na kahit nakakahiya. And they allowed us to actually share it to all our viewers,
Oo.
whether nasa Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, inallow ng mga guests natin na magkaroon tayo ng ganong opportunity. Kaya
Oo.
naman, sa lahat ng mga guests po namin for Season 2, even on Season 1, okay? Maraming salamat
maraming
po once
salamat.
again. But of course, we just want to acknowledge all our guests for Season 2. Sino-sino nga ba sila, Jav?
Of course, we have Annie Macato, Junji Gumiran, Cindy Alvar, Mami Ann, then
Sheena
Sheena
Gorgonio.
Gorgonio, of course.
Napaka-flawless.
Yes.
Miss Flawless, yes.
Yani
Yani
Moya.
Moya. Co-create. Of course,
course.
ang inaanak ko, Fibolim.
Ito talaga, one of the,
Na matindi ang revelation.
kahit ako nagugulat ako,
Yes,
nakakatawa
diba?
to si Fibo.
Yes, si
And
Katrina Gumaya,
Katrina.
na
And-
sobrang sinwerte tayo dahil
Oo.
nasa Pilipinas.
And ang sinabi ko talaga, meron ako another woman
Girl
na,
crush.
na
Yes.
nilulook up na, paano maging ikaw? Oh, ganun.
Yes.
Diba?
Melo Aguilar,
Ay, ito
Diyos
talaga.
ko naman.
Ang pinakagwapo.
Oo, ang nagbigay ng million views sa atin.
Ito talaga yung kaabang-abang.
Oo
Talagang may
naman.
nag-message, pwede nyo bang intervene si Melo
Yes.
Aguilar? Ay, ba talaga?
Janine Nieto.
Yes.
Na sobrang revelation din. Sobrang natuwa talaga ako kung ano yung dictionary ba naman, girl?
Talagang smart na smart.
Yes.
Bata pa lang.
Si Hans Kua, si
Of
Master
course.
Hans, naggrabe yung energy, napakataas.
Very positive.
Napaka-joyful.
Parang hindi ko alam, naging malungkot ka ba ever?
Exactly. Si
Sobrang
Cholim.
ganong positive. Cholim, oh my
Naman.
God.
Gwapo. Nasa iyo na ang
Matangkad.
lahat. Cho,
Perfect.
kapatid, bakit naman ganyan?
Kaya,
teka,
hinanapan natin ng, meron ba tong pagkakamali sa
Oo,
buhay?
meron bang imperfection tong
Oo.
tao na to? Wait, balikan natin si Miss Annie. What do you recall about Miss Annie? The
Oh.
lady in red.
Girl boss.
Girl boss.
Grabe.
Oo, talagang walang lumulusot. Lahat ng goals niya, ginusto niya, nagagawa niya.
Oo, yun, alam mo, yun ang pinakagusto ko sa kanya. Achiever na achiever.
Exactly. Focus kasi.
Yes.
Si Junji Gumira na talaga namang naging vulnerable.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
May mga revelation siya na,
Yes.
okay, we want you to be like, chill, pero
Oo.
he willingly shared that
Yes.
experience.
He allowed us to actually share those
Yes.
sa show natin. Si Cindy Alvar,
Oo, the lady in red lipstick.
Yeah. 'Di ba? Na sobrang nalaman natin na it's because of
Very
her
powerful.
meditation prowess. Kaya
Oh.
naman na-achieve niya yung life na meron siya right now. Chill, relax, and a wonderful relationship sa family, especially sa kids.
At saka you notice this season 2, when we asked them sino yung crush nila, one of the common names, Coach Russ.
Yes.
No? And
oo.
Tony Robbins.
Tony Robbins. Yes.
Yan.
Mami N.
Mami
Si Mami
N.
N, alam mo, gusto ko i-interview natin sa kanya kasi talaga naman sabi niya, meron kayong hindi tinanong sa akin.
Ay!
Yung, who is my crush? Siya talaga yung humabol.
Kailangan kong panoorin yung video. Nakalimutan ko. Parang kailangan ko panoorin ulit yung
Sabi
video
niya,
na yan.
diba? Sabi niya, meron kayong hindi tinanong sa akin, kaya ako na yung magsasabi. Talaga namang hinuli niya. Diba, Mommy? And talaga, game na game. Despite, alam mo
Yes.
yun, all the years of experience, talaga namang pinagbigyan tayo. Super game sa mga questions.
Thank you so much,
And
Mami
then, of
Ann.
course, going back to Sheena, aside from being a,
Prim and proper.
prim and proper and flawless, newly married, and yet nandito ka agad sa atin, pinagbigyan ka agad. At saka, yun na nga, last minute,
Oo.
nagpakita siya sa show natin.
Very open sila. Usually, yung mga guests natin, they're very generous sa time.
Oo, exactly.
And alam nilang if they can help people, inspire people, empower people, yes agad ang sagot.
Yes. And of course, Yanni Moya.
Of course, yan.
And the production behind
If you like our
Slambok
setup,
Millionaire.
if you like our setup in Slambok Millionaire, it's Co-Create Media.
Yes.
Under Co-Create Studios also.
Exactly.
Owned by Yanni Moya and
Alec
Alec Cuenca and
Gold. Yan.
Ano ba pala ni
Gold
Gold?
Ambas.
Ayun, Gold
Ayan.
Ambas.
And of course, last na si Fibolim, bukod sa inaanak ko siya at may matindi siyang revelation, grabe din naman talaga yung mga nalaman natin. Na kaya naman pala, ang bilis para sa kanya ma-10x lahat. Kasi
Yes.
hyper-focus.
Yun. Pag sinabi mong Fibo, hyper-focus.
Yes, yun yung equivalent na kagad.
Oo.
Ayan. So, grabe. Maraming salamat pong muli sa inyo. We are so grateful to you for the time that you have given us and for allowing us to share your Slambok life to all the viewers. Yan. So, what's next?
Yun na nga tatanungin ko.
Yes.
Ano pang susunod sa
Marami
Slambok
pa.
Millionaire?
Sa ngayon po, magpapahinga po muna tayo.
Yes.
Kasi gagawa po tayo ulit ng mga listahan ng mga igigest natin for
Yes.
season 3.
Let
That's
us
something that you
know.
have to look forward to.
Let us know if you want someone or you wish to see or hear anong story niya in Slambok Millionaire.
Yes.
Let us know. Message
If you know someone who is already a multi-millionaire, hindi lang basta millionaire, multi-millionaire, naka-achieve na ng maraming success,
Yes.
at curious kayo, ano ba yung Slambok life ng person ito, and you know them,
Yes.
hey, maybe please message us. And then we will invite them on your behalf.
Where to message us?
Yes. Sa page po namin, we have Slambok Millionaire. Sa Facebook page ng Slambok Millionaire. Paulit-ulit. Meron din po kami sa TikTok, sa Instagram. So you can just message us. Or, yes, doon na lang po. Para po makuha kagad ng team namin. And then mag-gather po namin yung mga names and we will invite them for you. So
Yes.
ito lang po yung po pwede po namin maibigay sa inyo. Kung nag-enjoy po kayo sa mga guests namin from season 1 until season 2, malamang mag-enjoy doon po kayo
Sa
sa
season
upcoming
3.
season.
Yeah.
Na,
Meron pa.
Yes.
Meron ako sasabihin bago tayo mag-goodbye.
Okay.
If you want your brand to be associated
Yes.
with Slambok Millionaire, let us know.
Yes.
Message us in Slambok Millionaire sa Facebook page
page.
na.
Yes. Makikita po niyo yung mukha namin doon. Alam niyo po na kami po yun. Yes,
Yes.
be part of our show and we look forward to working and collaborating with you.
Yes.
Yan.
Alright. Ayan
Alright.
na.
So, ayan na nga po. Maraming salamat once again to all our viewers, to the thousands
Yes.
of people who is
I-manifest na
watching.
natin. Millions.
Yes,
Yeah.
millions of people watching Slambok Millionaire in every channel that we are. Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram,
Lahat.
lahat na.
Lahat.
Yan, oo. So maraming Facebook of course. Maraming salamat po. We honor you and we are so grateful to you and we look forward once again to sharing another episode, another season of Slambok Millionaire
with Joanna.
and Jam.
See you!
See you soon. Bye. God bless you all. Stay fantabulous. Mwah.